How to cancel an order as seller on eBay. Hi everybody. If you are a seller and want to cancel an order on eBay, you can do it within your seller dashboard on eBay. And here's how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, we can sign in into our eBay account. Once we are signed in, we can go to my eBay option in the top right corner and select the option of selling from the menu that pops up. Once we select that option, we can go over to this overview section. After that, you can open up the orders of the sold items and find the order that you want to cancel. Once you find it out, we can look out for the more actions option right beside it and basically look out for cancel option and choose up a reason and confirm it, and that way you should be able to do it. Buyers common reasons that you can select is buyer asked to cancel, the item is out of stock or damaged, problem with the buyer's address, buyer has not paid, something like that. And what happens after canceling is the buyer will automatically receive a refund and buyer is notified that the order was cancelled as well. And if you have canceled because the item is out of stock, it may count as a seller defect on your account. If the buyer requested a cancellation, it usually does not affect your seller performance. And that's it everybody. You may follow that method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.